Welcome to our scrumptious falafel recipe. Alright, so let's start by crushing our coriander seeds. This dish is so delicious and so easy to make, especially if you have a food processor, that you will enjoy this in no time. And don't forget folks, the full step-by-step guide and our recipe card is on the SAVORYThoughts.com website. Alright, so we are going to start our next step with the yogurt sauce, so we can refrigerate it, put it aside. So our next step, we are going to start by soaking our chickpeas. While the chickpeas are soaking, let's start by preparing our other ingredients so we can combine them when the time comes. Perform a quick check to make sure that they are somewhat soft. Now that they are ready, let's go ahead and start putting our chickpeas into a food processor. And we are also going to add the other ingredients and spices that we have been preparing. Forget our crushed coriander, crushed red peppers, flour, and cumin. Let's go ahead and check our combination to see how well everything is combining. Once everything is well combined, we'll go ahead and deep fry the first batch. you're looking for this beautiful golden brown color. Oh yes, fried to perfection. And yes, we are sharing with you another option if you want to bypass the deep frying. Make sure to spray it well, either with a cooking spray or with olive oil, and also spray it again halfway between cooking. And lastly, we are going to cook it over the cooktop. And yes, you are still looking for that beautiful golden brown color. And voila, 3 different convenient ways of cooking this wonderful Lebanese style falafel. Well, I have certainly enjoyed eating it, and I hope that you've tried this recipe as well. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment, and let us know how you've enjoyed it.